Hey there! The fun part of a road trip is the route. The part that decides whether it goes well is knowing what the fuel, the tolls, and the hotels are going to add up to. Let me walk you through the road trip planner, tab by tab. Start on trip setup, your dates, your travelers, your vehicle's fuel economy, and your fuel price, the basis for every cost estimate that follows. The dashboard turns that into your headline numbers: total miles, drive time, fuel cost, cost per mile, and your budget against what's committed. The route planner takes your legs one by one with distance and drive time and works out the fuel cost of each. The daily itinerary is the day-by-day plan for where you are, what you're doing, and where you're sleeping. The trip budget tracks estimated against actual by category, so you can see mid-trip whether you're drifting. Lodging comparison sets your options against each other on price, location, and cancellation terms before you book. The packing checklist is grouped by category and by person, so nothing gets left in the hallway. The meal planner covers what you'll eat and what you'll cook, which is usually the easiest place to save real money. The entertainment planner holds playlists, podcasts, and games for the long stretches. The toll calculator estimates tolls per leg and tracks what you actually paid, a cost almost nobody budgets for. And the post-trip review compares planned against actual, so the next trip is budgeted from experience. That's the whole workbook. Grab your copy from the link below, and if you get stuck, just message me. Thanks for watching.